Running an online e-commerce business is all about using technology to build, grow and scale your brand. That's the entire motto of building Typof. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 free important marketing tools which you can use to grow your e-commerce brand. You can use all these tools while writing product description, keywords and so on and so forth. So let's get started. Number 1 is copy.ai. Now copy.ai is an extreme AI based writing tool that helps you to write really crazy product description, Facebook ads title and so on and so forth. You can do wonders with this. Just the only problem is that you can't write SEO focused articles because in the recent update made by Google, it stated that it is banning all the content that is coming out of an AI based tool. So just the only thing that you can't do with copy.ai is writing SEO based content. But apart from that, you can do anything related to content with copy.ai. It generates copy-based product description, Facebook ads title, headlines, Google ads headlines and so on and so forth. This reduces your entire cost of hiring a full-time copywriter if your business has just got started, or it's somewhere down the line that you're doing somewhere near to 100 to 200 orders per month. The second tool which is on this list is Ubersuggest. Now this is a tool that is developed by Neil Patel, who is one of the most renowned marketers in this world. Number 1 in various different keywords that are very hard to rank, and he has used the exact same tool to rank all of his content. With Ubersuggest, you can find keywords of your competitors and keywords that your buyers are searching for and create content around it so that your content will rank, and then while customers are searching for your brand, they're gonna see it, read your articles or entire content around it, and if they get interested, they're gonna buy your product. Number 3 is Facebook Business Suite. Recently, social media has been disrupted by this tool. Facebook thought, why don't we have the entire marketing suite where they can publish a content and we can spread it to our entire family of apps. Now Facebook has WhatsApp, Facebook has Instagram, Facebook has Messenger. Now these are the typical dominated players in the social media market. Now there were tools like Hootsuite, Buffer and Later and many more that were used to do scheduling and everything around. So with Facebook Business Suite, which is actually free, you can do this entirely without depending on a third-party tool. And that too, because it is built by Facebook, is genuine and it's easy to try. And if you have a business page or a brand page on Instagram, you already have an access to it. In the description, we have given a link with which if you don't have the access, you can directly click on that and it will redirect you to your own business suite. So check them out. Number 4 is actually Google Alerts. Now spying on your competitor is one of the first things when you are building a brand. What are the things they are doing, what are the new products they are launching, how they are getting referred, which media brands they have referred and so on and so forth. So these are typical questions which you should have a track on, because if they are doing something on a different platform, that means they are paying for it, or either that platform is willingly doing. Now when such thing happens, this is the exact place where your customers are also there. So if your competitor is finding customers with these platforms, so it's very important to keep an eye on your competition. And with Google Alerts, which is a free tool, it's very easy to use. You just have to go to googlealerts.com and have to fill in your keywords which you want to get alerts and click on the alert button by various methods, like if you want to get notified via email when something happens or some searches happens with that name, and you're good to go. This way you can track the entire activity of your competitor without even paying to anyone, not even the PR agencies. Number 5th is HELIUM 10. Now HELIUM 10 is actually a kind of tool that will help you to find out different trends that are going in the market, what are the best selling products in different marketplaces, and basically it's a product discovery and product research kind of a tool. This will actually help you to build your different products and create innovative SKUs for your own brand. Think of that. If there's a particular product or something that is very highly rated in the market on maybe a US market or somewhere, and you want to bring it into your market, let's say in India, and you have seen that this is the buying pattern, this is everything which they want, but because you are in India, you can't know the trends of the US or UK markets. So this will actually allow you to see all those trends, plus what is going inside your market in the marketplace model. It will show you exact things. You can find out different keywords, you can find out different top products, and so on and so forth. The list goes on and on. We have already completed the list of top 5 free tools, but we have more. I have got 2 more free tools which you can really use for selling products online. This will actually make out your day. Number 1, Typof image compressor. Now, every fine and day, while building your online store, you might have noticed that it takes a lot of time to load, and most of the reason is actually with unoptimized product images. Because let's say if you have clicked a picture of a product from a high definition camera, it can easily go up to MBs and all. Now, if that's the case, it's going to be very difficult for servers to pull down. So via image compression, you can compress the image without hampering a lot on the quality. So with Typof image compressor, you can do that for free. Just click on the image which you want to get, upload it onto the file, select the percentage of which you want to compress it, and download it. You can get the exact same image just on the compression level. The second free tool, which is a bonus, is Typof invoice generator. Now this will help you to download the invoice that has been generated for your customer. Now you can use it as your shipping manual, print it and post it on your product delivery packages so that it can be delivered and with ease, without your packaging company talking you much about that. So these were the 5 important tools plus the 2 bonus tools which we have referred for you. Now we have more such videos about all this thing and would love to share it with you. So to get more important tools and alerts around e-commerce, keep subscribing our channel and we'll get back to you soon.